In this tutorial, I will show you that how can get Spotify for free. I will show you 3 simple methods to get Spotify for totally free. Method 1. Open any of the browser from your phone. In the search bar, type Spotify free trial and search. Once you do this, you may see option offering Spotify free trial. You can be up for 4 months free depending on your country. Simply tap on free trial offer and claim the trial. This is the first and easiest method. If this option doesn't appear for you, don't worry. Let's move on to next method. For this method, you need to have Spotify app installed on your phone. Go to Play Store or App Store, search Spotify and download the app. Once Spotify is installed, open it, create an account or log in. Now tap on Premium. Here you will see different plans and you may also see the free trial option. Simply tap on the free trial and activate it. This is second method to get Spotify for free. For the third method, you will need PC or laptop. Open any of the browser on your PC and search for anything using. After searching, click on Microsoft Rewards icon on right side and then select View Dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, click on Redeem. Now scroll and find Spotify Premium. Here you may see the option to get Spotify Premium for 3 months free. Click on Redeem Reward. In some cases, the reward may show as 0 points, making it an easy way to get Spotify Premium for free. After redeeming, you will receive a code that you use to activate Spotify Premium. And that's it. Those are simple ways to get Spotify for free.